Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I love the way it turned out. I used the Yes Please palette again by Colourpop. I think it's just the perfect palette, literally, and I really wanted to use that yellow shade. So that's what I did today. And I mostly use Drugstore, I just realized in this video, so I hope you enjoyed that. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I just like clipped my hair back, and I got all new lighting, so hopefully like the lighting is pretty good for you guys in the background. So I don't really know what kind of look I want to go for my makeup going along with it. And yeah, to start off, let's prime our eyes. So I'm just going to go in with some concealer. And I do have eyelash extensions, so it is a little difficult to work with when you're doing like eyeshadow. But I need a fill, so it's, you know, it's alright if I mess them up a bit. I zoomed you in pretty far, we're up in
Personal.
So I'm gonna go in to this color right here. Again, I don't get the whole name thing, because like, it's confusing, so I don't understand. So, you know, we're just gonna go in with this bone color and set the eyes. For my transition shade, I really want to go into this yellow, so I'm just going to be taking my Morphe E27 brush and just applying that, to my transition area. For the crease, I'm going to start off with this color right here, and then I'm going to build up with like one of these reddish colors. But first I'm going to go in with like that nice like corally color. Going back in with that yellow, and I'm gonna add it back in and blend out the edges. I'm going to take the Morphe R39, and I'm going to, what do I want to do? Do I want to add some red? I think I'm going to add some red, so I'm going to add this red color right here and apply that just to like the outer corner crease area. Gonna go back in with the yellow shade. So there's a lot of blending and kind of just like going back and adding colors. So yeah, this is gonna be like a fun, like colorful look. Kind of looks like a sunset, which I really like. going to deepen up. Actually, I'm going to add some shimmer down. I'm going to add this really fun, like, orangey shimmer shade. It looks really cool. And if I can find my brush, we'll be good. So I'm going to spray my brush with some setting spray. And I'm going to take that. It's kind of like a yellow, orangey, like iridescent vibe. And I don't know, should I cut the... I think I'm going to cut the crease, actually. I'm just going to apply that on top of that concealer. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, that is literally the prettiest shade I've like ever seen. This shade right here, and just make sure everything is smooth and blended together. Then I'm going to go back in with that R39 brush that we had, like the red, and I'm going to deepen it up a bit with this nice like plumish brown color. And then I'm just going to take my big fluffy brush and just blend everything. That's it for the eyes. I'm actually going to, yeah, that's it for the eyes for now. So let's move on to the face. So moving on to the face. For primer today, I'm going to be using my Glossier Priming Moisturizer. My face is a little dry, so I want something that's really going to moisturize. And I'm also mixing in my L'Oreal Lumi in Golden, just to give my face a little bit of a glow. I put like the tiniest amount, like really tiny. Just mix that together and I'm going to apply it to my face. I did my brows off camera just because I never do them on camera. You guys know that. I'm not the greatest at brows. This is probably the best I've ever done. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with a goodie. This is the e.l.f. Oil-Free SPF 15 Sunscreen Foundation from their Beautifully Bare line. Such great packaging. It's glass. It's like a glass plastic. Very heavy. You guys know this is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. It's not super full coverage, which is why I like it, but it also has a decent coverage. And I got some red spots going on, so you know, kind of just going like this with it. That might have been too much. I'm also gonna mix a different foundation just to get a little bit more coverage, and this is a little bit too light for me, so I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline SuperStay 24 Hour. I actually really love this foundation. I'm going to apply it to my beauty blender and then just like work in sections. For concealer, I'm going to go in my Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to apply a little bit just to brighten up the eye area and the nose. I'm really loving this eye look. And I'm really loving these new lights that I got. So I do have my ring light, and I have like my softbox, and then I got softbox. Then I got softbox lights. I don't know why I could not say that. And I just have been loving them. They really now make a difference. This is the first time I am using them, and I feel like already like the lighting, there's no shadows or anything, and so I really like that. I'm going now with my L.A Girl Pro Powder in Banana Yellow, and just set under my eye. And I'm going to set my chin and between the brows. I don't do too much to my lower eye. What I'm going to do is just take this Morphe E17 brush and go in with that corally shade right here and blend that out. I'm going to take that red shade and just do the same thing. For that inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this gold shade right here. That's something I always forget to do, I feel like, in my videos, is the inner corner highlight. It just always itches my eye, so that's why I never do it. And then I'm just going to put a little bit on that brow bone. Yes, honey. Hunty. She can get it. Contour. I'm going to go in my Shade and Light. And I'm going to mix these two shades, actually. My Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends Bronzer in Sunkissed 30 and just bronze up the skin. For blush, I'm just going to go in with my MAC Melba, you know, goodie. You know, this is one of my top blushes, and just add that to the cheeks. Blend that out with my sponge so it's not too harsh. For highlights, I'm going to go in with such an old product, but it's so good, and it's the Wet n Wild Boozy Brunch Highlight. I'm actually going to spray my face with setting spray first. And then we're going to go in with that highlight. Woohoo! Look at that. Hello. With the Smashbox Fair Game Liquid Lipstick, and hopefully this one would be kind of good. I don't know, I feel like that's kind of too light. So I'm going to go over it with this color Jolt and Strip Down. And this is by Maybelline. So, forgot to put on bottom mascara. So, I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so that completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Like I said, a lot of this stuff is drugstore, so let me know down below if you want me to do more drugstore videos or some high-end or test any products out. I would love to. And give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.